Recently, we met a young achiever from Bangalore who has launched his own training organization wherein he conducts motivational training classes for students, teachers, and parents. Let's have a word with this dynamic personality.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Arif and I am a founder director of Live Your Dreams. Live Your Dreams is a training company which was founded 1.5 to 2 years ago. But I, being a trainer, I was into the field of education from past 12 years. I had to break out of my corporate cubicle to follow my dream of bringing a change and helping the students realize what their dreams are. And believe me, it was a beautiful decision that I have taken, I guess. And we do a lot many programs to students, teachers, parents, and the management because we believe that student development has to happen from all the angles. That is where we rope in teachers, parents, students, and the management too. And alhamdulillah, from past 12 years I have been rendering these services, and now under the banner of Live Your Dreams, we were successful enough in training 26,500 students across India from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and we have personally worked with many schools, and the message is that believe in dreams because we believe in dreams, and if we can achieve the dreams, and we strongly believe that the youth of India also can achieve their dreams. All the best to you all, and thank you.